Hello, I'm Maricho Petrosky. All of our recipes are on our website and free at happyfeetsandpaws.com. And today, we're going to make manok inasal or roasted chicken. Let's make the paste for our marinade, and let's combine
4 stalks of lemongrass, but only lower stalks sliced, a thumb-sized ginger root cut into chunks, and 6 garlic cloves crushed. Use a chopper to cut them into bits and pieces. You may also use mortar and pestle, or you may do it by hand. Transfer them into a food-grade storage bag or mixing bowl. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Add 3 medium-sized lemons juiced. 3 tablespoons of lemon or lime soda or soft drinks. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. And 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Shake until well incorporated. Then set aside. Then let's pat dry chicken leg quarters with the skin on. Pat them dry on both sides. Then sprinkle with some dashes of kosher salt. Put them into the storage bag one at a time. Securely twist the bag and shake to coat them well. Seal and put them in the fridge to marinate overnight. The next day, remove and place the marinated chicken into a baking sheet. Save the marinade juice for later. Then begin skewing with 1 chicken per skewer. Remove the excess fats from the chicken if there are any. Now let's make the basting sauce by combining the leftover marinade juice, a 1/4 cup of annatto oil, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, and the juice of a half medium-sized lemon, and couple dashes of kosher salt, and mix until well blended. Now let's start roasting our chicken inasal. Clean the grill with a steel brush before anything else. Then lightly spray with cooking oil to prevent the chicken from sticking. Then close the lid to bring the temperature up. And when the temperature is between 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, place the skewed chicken. Brush the chicken with some basting sauce until they are fully coated. Then flip them over to coat the other side as well. Cook them for 15 to 20 minutes on each side or until they turn golden. Close the lid so the chicken may cook faster. Continue basting every 5 minutes to keep the chicken moist. Make sure to check and flip them over every 5 minutes as well. Starting to look really delicious! And after 20 minutes or so, look at that. Remove the skewer and allow to cool down for 3 to 5 minutes. There you have it, my chicken inasal or roasted chicken. Serve warm with rice and your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy!